Alright, this is trade recap number 3 for Monday, June 29th. Keep it pretty quick. I took one trade today. We gotta go back. So, coming into the market overall, I wanted us to tap this 1 hour gap and then look for shorts to Asia lows. Now, I got a bit hasty with my entry and just took a trade that was a little premature. I think I should have let it develop a little bit more. So open, came up, and we created this gap right here, which I believe was a 2-minute gap right there, and then we closed below that. Let's just go replay mode, aren't you? Here we are. Alright, so we had a 2-minute gap here, we closed below that. I entered right here on the 937 candle. So just retracing back up a little bit, tapping that gap is where I entered. So I just set a limit order there, and we got 50 points out of it, but ended up being just too early on this trade. So as I said, coming into the market, I wanted to see us tap this 1 hour gap. And then we also tapped into this 5-minute gap here, which was quite a ways away, but this gap here, so we tested this gap, rejected it, and then ended up going down quite a bit. So yeah, pretty simple. I was targeting these lows down here, and I think I just entered a little bit early, so nothing too much to it. This was the second trade I would have taken, was inversing this gap here. Would have taken that short for Asia lows. This was really what I was looking for, was something like this. After tapping into the 1 hour gap, rejecting this 5-minute gap, and then inversing down all the way to Asia lows would have been my ideal target. Now, currently I'm just trying to take one trade a day, so that's why I took this, got stopped out, so I was done. Just as simple as that. Just part of my risk management at the moment. So this would have been a fantastic trade that did play out relatively quickly. So that would have been fantastic. Didn't work out. Then I got to take that trade. That's all good. Just entered a little bit too early on the overall idea behind it, but that's okay. So lost one for the week, nothing much more to it. Lesson learned, I think just patience. I had an idea coming into the market. I should have waited for that idea to fulfill itself. If it wasn't going to, then there's no trade. Simple as that. So that's what I'm looking for the rest of the week, is just something. If I have bias like that going into the trading day, I'm going to feel confident with that and see if it's going to do that or not. If it's not, that's okay. All right, that's it. Have a good one.